My name is Ajayi and I work in the Python Software Engineering Batch B. In this course, we were taught different things like functions, conditional statements. So the name of my project is a math quiz app. My project is used to solve basic calculations like addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. It also helps to enhance our problem-solving skills. So in this math quiz app, I wrote import random, which means that the computer should pick any random. If it's a number or if it's an operator, it should pick any random. Like for example, num1, which is random and int. From 1 to 10, any random integer from 1 to 10, also from num2. And I added the conditional statement that if the operator is equals to plus, that the operator will choose it. If it's equals to plus, then the question should be what is num1 plus num2, and the answer it should display should be the number it chooses, which is num1 plus num2, or the elif operator, which can also be used for if or else. I did so for minus, times, division, and I wrote else, means that if none of this comes out, you should write invalid operator. And yeah, I wrote a function to save the score. I made a function to save the score, which is called the total quotient within my age, what is going to bring out when save the score. And here it shows that it will open with mark.txt. That is the name of the file, as it automatically opens with mark.txt. And here I gave room for writing the name and age, and I also gave room for the computer to write the score and the total quotient. Then I'll fill my name and age. If it shows number 1, that is plus. If number 2, minus. Number 3, times, and number 4, division. So yeah, if the operator is equal to none, as I said before, if none of this, it does not show any of this, it should print invalid choice, that is existing decrease, if none of this is what the user types in. But if it's true, it should bring out the question and the answer. And with the variable I created earlier, the function I created earlier generates question. This question I created, where that is the question and the answer. Everything is the question and the answer. So I wrote it down here. Then I wrote if user input or lower. Input or lower means that what input should be in small letter, that is exit. Then it should print thank you for playing. Your final score is, because it's choosing random, we don't know the score, so it's computer that will print out the score for us is the score out of the total questions. Any question we choose to write in.
Does this work?
Yes, it does.
It works in your terminal. Show us how it works.
Okay, so as I've already done here, the operator marking, which is if number 1 plus number 2 minus number 3 times and number 4 divide, this is what it shows there. So it should pick from number 1 to 4. So I try to pick anyone I want to pick. Let me pick number 4. Number 4, 7 divided by 7. You write the answer. Number 1, if it's correct, you print correct. If it's wrong, like 5 divided by 7, you write 3 wrong. It should show wrong and it also show the correct answer. But if you want to exit, you don't have to type like any number like 1 to exit, just press exit. Just type in exit. And yeah, this is for saving a file. This def save score. This is where you save the file. mark.txt as name of the file, and here also, like I said, your score. So here our score is 1. The score out of 30 questions 4. Then it will give you a space for writing name and age. Now this is what is printing out. Enter your name. Enter your name, your age. And now if you want to view the file that you have created, you go to, I've already opened it, like because it takes time, so I've already opened it before, and this is your mark dots. This is now, see, it shows you, this is the previous one I did before, now this is the one I did now. It shows you what the score is, the age that you inputted, and also your name. So this project took me 1 week, and the hardest part of this project was creating the code for creating the score and also for creating a file. But the most exciting part was the end result. Of the project. And this project is useful for solving basic calculations. Because it's not everybody that can solve calculations in their head. It also helps us to learn also. It helps us to solve questions, help us in our learning skills, help us to learn, and it helps us to solve problems faster. Conclusion, I want to thank my parents for enrolling me in tech school, and also my coaches for teaching me to understand better.
Faith.
Yes, sir.
When was the first time you were introduced to coding?
Well, I was doing JIB. That was last month.
In July.
Yes.
July was your very first introduction to coding.
Yes, sir.
And then Batch B was your very first introduction to Python.
Yes, sir.
So this thing you are explaining the way you are explaining as though you've been doing this for the past 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Basically, you had no idea about it. Listen, guys, it's not just that she's saying it. I was in her first class. This young girl had absolutely no idea of what was going on. She didn't even know where she was. But just to see what you've been able to do. You see, when you were speaking, there's something you said when you talked about the challenges, how you said, and that was what moved me to clap really, because when you said there were several challenges, but the ultimate fulfillment is when you were done, when you completed it and you saw the end products. That was awesome. You know, a lot of people give up before they complete. A lot of people give up before they see their gold, before they see the fruit of their hard work. They give up, and then they miss out on all the fun. So first of all, congratulations on building such amazing project using Python. And secondly, what you've built, a math quiz game. So this math quiz game, right? I love the fact that when someone answers a question, right? If they get it right, it tells them they get it right. But then it also goes ahead to tell them when they get it wrong, and also tells them which one is the right answer. Why that is very good for me is because one, they are able to teach themselves, and I'm glad to see that you're also saving the user's information so you can have like highest score. I'm sure that this is a game that you want to begin to have like hard, medium, and easy, right? There's highest score for hard, highest score for medium, and people can literally you can beat your highest score every single time, you play. And I think that's very interesting. When you build this kind of thing and it's deployed, and then people begin to use it and you begin to make money, you begin to change. First of all, it seems like you love math, because even the way you're explaining it, you love math, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because the way it tells me you really love math. And definitely what this is that you can actually make this to help people that don't really love math so much, And because of this gamified experience, they can begin to love math. So Faith, this should exist. Let me ask you a question. Before you joined tech school, did you ever believe you could build something like this? Were you even interested in coding at all?
No, not really.
Now you've been able to do this, and now you know you have a skill that you can use to build more things like this. How do you feel?
I feel great and accomplished.
Accomplished. I like that. I love that. I feel great and accomplished. Awesome. Congratulations, Faith. I can't wait to see what happens to you after. If you can be like this, you can literally change in my own eye in just 3 weeks. I can't wait to see what will happen in 1 year. I'm telling you, I'm excited. Congratulations. And to your father, congratulations. To your mother, congratulations. To everyone who has supported you in this journey, congratulations to them all, because they will be the first beneficiaries, of your genius.